Want to move your Pi coin from testnet to mainnet? Here's how you can do that. First, make sure your Pi Network app is updated if you're using the Pi Network app. If you're using the web browser, simply head over to the official web browser of Pi. Now, log into your account with the verified Pi account. Next, you'll need to complete KYC verification if you haven't already. Then, head over to your profile. Tap on KYC and follow the instructions carefully. This step is crucial to secure your Pi and make it eligible for Mainnet. Once the KYC is complete, head to the Mainnet migration section in the app. You'll see an option to migrate your Pi coins. Confirm your account details and start the migration process. This system will transfer your coins safely to Mainnet wallet linked to your account. After migration, check your Mainnet wallet to ensure your Pi balance is updated. Keep your credentials secure and never share your private keys with anyone. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.